Step 3, made a decision to turn our will and lives to the care of God as we understand Him. In step 3, we make a decision to get started with the rest of the steps. Many in recovery circles believe the real action begins in step 3, but remember, it's only a decision, and a decision is only as good as the action that follows. So in step 3, we're taking the information from steps 1 and 2. We identified our problem in a general way, powerlessness, unmanageable life. Step 2, we've put our finger in a general way on the solution, a higher power. And in step 3, we're making a decision to turn our will, which is our thinking, and our lives, which is our actions, over to the care of a higher power. Now remember, that little word care in there, where we have to think for ourselves and we have to manage our own lives in a certain way. But all we're asking you to do in step 3 is start the process of learning to fight the proper enemy, if you will, selfishness in all its forms, and taking a look at this whole free will deal and take a look and see if that's not maybe a trap, and that maybe if we can lock on to the spiritual power within us all, that would be the answer.